Okay, now all of you mute your mic. Let us start our session. Today we are going to start session number 8 of chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. This is the last session and we have already completed the chapter. Today we are going to do some questions from NCERT Exemplar. Okay, NCERT Exemplar एक book है, उसमें से ही कुछ questions मैं लिया हूँ. Right, so we will do 10-11 questions from that book. And let us start with the first question. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to p, all these questions are very important for standard based exam. Then prove that cos theta is equals to p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1. So what we will do, जो दिया हुआ है उसको लेंगे पहले. What is given that cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to p. Now how will you write cosec theta?
1 upon sin theta.
1 upon sin theta, right? And how will you write cot theta?
Cos theta by sin theta.
Right, cos theta by sin theta. So now we are going to replace cosec theta as 1 upon sin theta and cot theta by cos theta upon sin theta. Now we'll take LCM. If you take LCM, you will get 1 plus cos theta by sin theta क्योंकि same denominator है. Now then cross multiply. Whether this step is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now what we will do, we will square both sides. दोनों साइड हम लोग स्क्वायर करेंगे. So left side क्या मिलेगा? 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta is equals to p square sin square theta. 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus p square sin square theta. Now convert sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. या पहले शिफ्ट करने के बाद कन्वर्ट करो. पहले हम लोग कन्वर्ट करने के बाद शिफ्ट करते हैं. सो हम लोग का फाइनल इक्वेशन क्या होगा देखो. पी स्क्वायर, ये दोनों को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. सो पी स्क्वायर विल बिकम प्लस and this cos square theta and p square cos square theta we can take common, so we'll get p square plus 1 cos square theta and 2 cos theta is already there, and this p square will, if we shift to this side, it will become minus p square. Any doubt in this equation?
No, sir.
Okay, now see, this is in the form of quadratic equation. This is in the form of quadratic equation. इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए x ले लो, x square, right, x. So this is in the form of a x square plus a x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So what is the formula for finding the root? Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन भूल गए क्या? सो यहाँ पे x क्या है? cos थीटा. सो cos थीटा विल बी इक्वल्स टू माइनस b. व्हाट इज b? 2.
2.
What is c?
1 minus p
1
square.
minus p
Right.
square.
And what is a?
P square plus
P
1.
square.
Right. So we'll get minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Any doubt in this expression?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we have to simplify this one. Abhi p square plus 1, we can write 1 plus p square into 1 minus p square. What you will get? 1 plus p square
1 square minus p square.
into 1 minus p square. What you will get? 1 square minus p square का whole square. So you will get p to the power 4. Clear? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So
No, sir.
देखो 1 minus p to the power 4 और इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll take 4 common. इफ यू टेक 4 कॉमन बाहर निकालोगे तो 2 हो जाएगा, एंड दिस 2 दिस 2 दिस 2 वी विल कैंसल इट। फिर से एक बार समझ लो, ये दोनों 4 हम लोग कॉमन निकालेंगे, बाहर लाएंगे तो 2 हो जाएगा, and this 2 this 2 this 2 if we remove we'll get 1 only. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
this
sir.
will
Yes,
become
sir.
1 minus 1 plus p to the power 4. So minus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled and we'll get p to the power 4 only, and the square of p to the power 4 is p square. थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज करके लिख लो, we'll get the proof. Okay, so any doubt?
No, sir.
एक बार और
No,
प्रैक्टिस
sir.
कर लेना इसको. So now we'll move towards the next question. Prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equals to tan theta plus cot theta. So I told you that wherever root will be there, you start from there only. So I'm going to take from LHS. Now how you can write sec square theta in terms of tan theta?
1 plus tan
1
square
upon
theta.
tan
Yes,
theta.
1 upon tan square theta. And what you can write in place of cosec square theta?
Cot square theta plus 1.
Okay, fine. 1 plus cot square theta. So we are going to substitute the formula. Now this 1 plus 1 will become 2, and we are getting tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. Now we can write 2 into 1. यहाँ पे 2 into 1 लिख सकते हैं. And in place of 1, we can write tan theta into cot theta. Because tan theta into cot theta कितना होता है? What will be tan theta into cot theta?
1.
देखो कैसे 1 हो रहा है, because cot theta we can write 1 upon tan theta. Okay, and this tan theta, this tan theta will be cancelled and we'll get 1. So we need not to prove this one. We can write directly in place of 1 as tan theta cot theta. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this is
Yes,
in
sir.
the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what it will get? Next step.
Tan theta plus
Tan
cot
theta
theta
plus
whole
cot
square.
theta whole square.
Yes, tan theta plus cot theta whole square. अब ये स्क्वायर रूट है, रूट हट जाएगा and we'll get tan theta plus cot theta is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards the next question, that is third question of today's. Now this is very important for standard based examination, not for basic. Okay. So यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो. What is given that 1 plus sin square theta is equals to t sin theta cos theta. अब हम लोग को यहाँ पे tan चाहिए. How will you get tan here? You tell me.
Both the side divide cos theta.
Cos square theta. Very good. Divide both sides by cos square theta, but before that we will substitute 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta. ठीक है, फिर ये sin square theta plus sin square theta क्या हो जाएगा?
2 sin square
2
theta.
sin square theta. Now what you told just now that we are going to do, we are going to divide both sides by cos square theta. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this cos square theta will cancel and we'll get 1 here, and यहाँ पे एक cos theta cancel होगा. Now see here we'll get sin theta by cos theta, that will be tan theta, and here we are getting sin square theta upon cos square theta, that will be tan square theta. So what we are going to get, 2 tan square theta plus 1 is equals to 3 tan theta. Now we'll shift this to this side. अब ये quadratic equation फॉर्म हो गया, right? Now we are using splitting the middle term. देखो प्रोडक्ट +2 है और सम -3 है, So we are going to take minus 2 minus 1. So if you take minus 2 minus 1, we'll get two factors, tan theta minus 1, 2 tan theta minus 1 is equals to 0. So either tan theta minus 1 is equals to 0 or 2 tan theta minus 1 is equals to 0. इससे क्या वैल्यू निकलेगा?
1
And here
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
so यही हम लोग का प्रूफ करना था कि tan theta is equals to 1 और 1 by 2. Any doubt?
No sir.
Okay, so very good question this is, and मेरे ख्याल से 2018 में शायद 19 में आया था. Okay, given that sin theta plus 2 cos theta is equals to 1, then prove that 2 tan theta minus cos theta is equals to minus 2. So what is given that I am going to take sin theta plus 2 cos theta is equals to 1. ओके उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको इस तरफ शिफ्ट कर देंगे. सो इट विल बिकम minus 2 cos theta. So let it be equation number 1. Any doubt?
No sir.
Okay, now जो प्रूफ करना है उसका LHS क्या है? 2 sin theta minus cos theta. उसमें हम लोग ये sin theta का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, दिस वन 1 minus 2 cos theta. Right, now open the bracket, you will get 2 minus 4 cos theta minus cos theta. So minus 4 minus 1, it will become minus 5 cos theta. Let it be equation number 2. Any doubt in this one?
No,
No
sir.
sir.
Okay, अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इक्वेशन 1 लेंगे, इक्वेशन 1 का स्क्वायर कर दो दोनों साइड. So what you will get?
Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus 2 cos square 2 cos theta whole square.
1 minus 2 cos theta whole square. Okay, fine. So sin square theta is equals to 1 plus 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta. This step is clear? अभी हम लोग को क्या प्रूफ करना है? दिस इज इक्वल्स टू minus 2 and we got this is equals to 2 minus 5 cos theta. So इससे हम लोग को cos theta का वैल्यू निकालना है. So how you will get? You convert this sin square theta as cos square theta. कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? How will you convert sin square theta into cos square theta?
1 minus cos square
Minus
theta.
Very good. 1 minus cos square theta. Now, if you shift cos square theta to this side, it will become plus. Okay, and this 1, if you shift this 1 to this side, it will become 1 minus 1. And finally, what we are going to get, 5 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta is equals to 0. Whether this equation is clear?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, from this we can take cos theta common. So अगर cos theta common लेंगे तो 5 cos theta minus 4 मिलेगा. Okay, right, now we get two values, cos theta is equals to 0 or cos theta is equals to 4 by 5. Now we'll substitute this value. Now using equation 2, this one, 2 minus 5 cos theta is equals to 2 minus 5 into 4 by 5. देखो यहाँ पे substitute कर रहे हैं cos theta का value. So this 5 will be cancel and we'll get 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 कितना होगा?
Minus 2.
यही प्रूफ करना था हम लोग को. Next question. If tan theta plus sec theta is equals to L, this is L only, then prove that sec theta is equals to L square plus 1 upon 2L. So सबसे पहले जो दिया वो उसको लिख रहे हैं. Sec theta plus tan theta is equals to L. Now what is the formula of sec square theta minus cos square theta, tan square theta?
1.
Sec square theta is minus tan square theta is equals to 1. पहले उसको लिख लेंगे. अब इसके दो फैक्टर्स बताओ मुझे, व्हाट आर द टू फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस? प्रियांशी?
Sir, sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta.
वेरी गुड. sec थीटा माइनस tan थीटा और sec प्लस tan थीटा. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दोनों को डिवाइड कर देंगे. ओके, डिवाइडिंग 2 by 1. नाउ द फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस इज sec थीटा माइनस tan थीटा into sec theta plus tan theta. So ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा and we'll get sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 upon L. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. अब ध्यान से देखो, इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 3 हम लोग को sec थीटा चाहिए, तो मैं प्लस करूंगा कि माइनस करूंगा? I want
Minus.
sec theta. I want sec theta. I will subtract or add?
Add.
Yes. Adding 1 and 3 we get 2 sec theta is equals to L plus 1 upon L. Now what is the LCM of this? If you simplify,
L plus 1 by L.
L square
L
plus
square
1
plus
by
1.
L. L square plus 1 by L. Now shift 2 to this side. So you will get the final answer. Okay? किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
Now we'll move towards the next question. Now this is very good question. If sin theta plus cos theta is equals to P and sec theta plus cosec theta is equals to Q, then prove that Q into P square minus 1 is equals to 2P. Right? Now what we will do, ये already simplified है, देखो sin theta plus cos theta is equals to P, but this is not simplified. So we'll first what we will do, we will substitute in this left hand side. ध्यान से देखो, Q into P square minus 1. अब इस already I told you that this is not simplified. So what I will do, I will change sec theta into 1 by cos theta and cosec theta as 1 by sin theta. और यहाँ पे expand कर दो, sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Like that. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay, what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta?
1.
1. अब यहाँ पे meanwhile you take LCM. So you will get sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta cos theta, and we replaced it by 1. Now this 1 minus 1 will cancel. Again this sin theta cos theta will cancel. And what is left? 2 into sin theta plus cos theta. Now ये क्या है? What is this?
P.
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 So यही proof करना था. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. ये ऑलरेडी ये जितने भी क्वेश्चंस मैं करवा रहा हूँ सारे बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं. Now see, this is also very good question. If a sin theta plus b cos theta is equals to c, then prove that a cos theta minus b sin theta is equals to root over a square plus b square minus c square. Right? Now abhi what is given that I am going to write first. Now if you square both sides, what you will get? If you square both sides,
A sin theta plus B cos
a
theta whole
square,
square is equals to
wait,
C
first term
square.
I will tell you, a square sin square theta plus next term
B square cos square theta.
plus,
P.
2A sin theta into B cos theta.
right, is equals to c square. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब हम लोग देखो ध्यान से, ये वाला पार्ट लेंगे. This part we are going to take. A square plus B square minus C square. तो C square is equals to ये है. तो ये वाला यहाँ पे हम लोग सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे माइनस सी स्क्वायर की जगह पे. दिस वी आर गोइंग टू सब्सटीट्यूट. सी दिस स्टेप, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस सी स्क्वायर. देखो माइनस सी स्क्वायर का ये वाला वैल्यू है. वेदर दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओनली आई सब्स्टिट्यूटेड सी स्क्वायर. ये पूरा सी स्क्वायर है जो ये पूरा अंडरलाइन जो दिख रहा है. अब सी केयरफुली, you can take a square common from this two and b square common from this two. You can take another. So what you will get if you take a square common from this two? 1 minus sine square theta. What you will get if you take b square from this?
1 minus cos square theta.
Right. Okay. So that step I am going to write. What is 1 minus sine square theta?
Cos square theta.
What is 1 minus cos square theta?
Sin square theta.
Okay, that also I am going to replace. Now see carefully, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. And this will be equals to a minus b whole square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
अब यहाँ से ये 2 हटा दो, means will take square root. एक्चुअल में ये वाला क्वेश्चन एक बार एग्जाम में आया था प्लस माइनस के साथ में भी. ओके, इफ यू टेक स्क्वायर रूट यू विल गेट प्लस माइनस. ऑलरेडी वन टाइम एक फॉरेन बोर्ड में, आई नॉट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली विच ईयर, बट एग्जाम में आया था प्लस माइनस के साथ. क्योंकि जब हम लोग स्क्वायर रूट लेते हैं तो विल राइट प्लस माइनस, क्योंकि अब क्वेश्चन में ही प्लस माइनस नहीं दिया हुआ, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे ऐसे ही छोड़ दिए. ओके, so now we'll move towards next question. This is very good question. Prove that, and most important also for this year. 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta upon 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले 1 को पहले इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. If you remember the similar question I did for cosec theta, cot theta. Now I want to replace 1. 1 can be replaced by either sin square theta plus cos square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta. But here what you will replace?
Sec square theta minus tan square theta.
Why?
So because already similar term is there. Sec
Very good.
theta minus.
Other terms are sec theta and tan theta only. So that is the indication that we have to take sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, I'm going to take. Now, what are the factors of this one? Shweta,
Sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta.
right. Now, is there any common between these two? This one and this?
Sec theta minus
Sec
tan
theta.
theta.
Okay.
Tan theta.
Sec theta minus tan theta, if you take common, what will be left over here?
1.
1
यहाँ पे,
sec theta plus tan
Theta
theta.
plus tan theta.
right. So, कुछ cancel हो रहा है?
Yes, sir.
1 plus sec theta
These
minus
two will be
plus tan
cancelled
theta.
and we'll get sec theta minus tan theta. Now, how will you write sec theta?
1 by cos theta.
And how will you write tan theta?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Right. Now, take LCM. What you will get?
1 minus
One
sin
mi-
theta by cos theta.
Very good. This is our RHS. यही प्रूफ करना था. ठीक है? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. One more question. Tan A upon 1 plus sec A minus tan A upon 1 minus sec A is equals to 2 cosec A. So definitely you will take LHS, right? Why you are not take RHS?
It is already in
It's parallel
simplified.
ये already simplified है ये. Okay, so we are going to take LHS. See, you can take direct LCM also, or else you can take tan A common. दोनों तरीके से कर सकते हैं. So जैसे मैं अभी common ले रहा हूँ. If you take tan A outside, you will get this step. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Okay, now take LCM. So you will get 1 minus sec A minus 1 plus sec A within the bracket. Now what you will get if you multiply these two?
1 square minus sec square A.
Okay, 1 minus sec square A we will write. And here this 1 and 1 will be cancelled. Minus sec A, ये भी minus हो जाएगा due to this minus sign. Minus sec A. You will get minus 2 sec A. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. Now what is the formula of tan square theta from identity?
sec square theta minus 1.
Very good. Sec square theta minus 1. But ये उल्टा लिखा हुआ है. उल्टा मीन साइन रिवर्स है यहाँ पर. So इसके जगह हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? माइनस tan square A. Or we can cancel it this minus sign. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how will you write sec A? अच्छा उससे पहले
One.
एक tan A कैंसिल कर सकते हैं ना. We can cancel 1 tan A. So we'll get 2 sec A upon tan A. Now sec A is equals to 1 upon cos A. And what is tan A?
Sin A by cos
Sin A
A.
upon cos A.
Right. So we are replacing. Here cos A will be cancelled and what will be left?
1 upon sin A.
Okay. So 2 into 1 upon sin A. And 1 upon sin A is?
Cosec A.
Right. So this is our RHS. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So one more question and this is the last question of today's session. This is very similar to the second question what we did in under question number 5. So sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta is equals to 2 cosec theta. So we'll take from LHS. Okay. So LHS is equals to sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. Now we will take LCM. So after taking LCM, what we will get? Sin theta whole square plus 1 plus cos theta whole square upon sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now we will expand this one. So what you will get?
1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta.
Right. So 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta. Now after that, we will take together this. We will take these two together, and the value of this will be
1.
1. Right. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos theta upon sin theta, and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So after writing 2, we can take common. अब यहाँ पे कुछ cancel हो रहा है.
1 plus cos theta.
Right. And what is left?
2 by sin theta.
Right. 2 by sin theta. और 1 by sin theta क्या होता है?
Cosec theta.
Right. So it will be equals to 2 cosec theta, and that is your RHS. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So this is the last question I told you. Now we will move towards assignment questions. Only 6 questions are there. You have to complete all these 6 questions. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much. अच्छा आज के क्लास में किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
After 1 hour, I will upload the lesson 1. You please watch once again because these are very important for standard board exam. Okay.